Everyone has that one moment in their career that stands out, a time when all the hard work, struggle, and late nights finally paid off. For me, that moment didn't come with fame or a big promotion. It came with a challenge that pushed me beyond my limits and taught me who I really am. It all started when I was assigned to lead a project that many believed was impossible to complete on time. The deadline was tight, the requirements were complex, and the resources were limited. Honestly, even I had doubts in the beginning, but something inside me refused to give up. I gathered my team, and instead of focusing on what we didn't have, we focused on what we could do with what we had. We broke the work into smaller goals and tackled one problem at a time. I encouraged open communication and made sure everyone felt heard and valued. There were nights we stayed at the office till midnight, fixing errors and reworking ideas. We faced unexpected issues, last-minute changes, and even a major system crash just a week before the deadline. But we stayed strong. We stayed united. Finally, the big day arrived. We presented the project to the clients and leadership. Their reaction was beyond anything I expected. Not only were they impressed, but they also said it was one of the most efficient and well-executed projects they had seen in a long time. That moment, seeing my team smile, hearing the applause, and knowing that we had overcome every obstacle, was the proudest moment of my career. It wasn't just about the success of the project. It was about proving to myself that I could lead, inspire, and deliver under pressure. Since then, I've taken on many roles and responsibilities, but that moment remains special. It reminds me that even when things seem impossible, dedication, teamwork, and belief can turn them into something amazing. Looking back, I'm grateful for that challenge. It didn't just shape my career, it shaped me as a person.